Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today I'm going to be explaining why I recently bought 50,000 Gala tokens just today. By the way guys, I believe that this video is going to be really good for all of you Gala investors out there who are not really buying the project because you all believe that the project has already died. Now right over here, as you can see that just today we are down by a lot in terms of Gala. We are down by roughly about 14 to about 15%. I had bought in somewhere along the lines of this. I just bought it right now and I'm already up, which is really good to see. But it's only for short time, and I know that things are not going to be like that in the upcoming days or in the upcoming weeks as well. Overall guys, I'm truly bullish on Gala, and let me explain you why I am so. But guys, before we move on to that, if you guys want to make massive amounts of money while trading crypto, make sure you guys join the crypto cartel. The link to it will be down in the description. As you can see, just today we closed another trade with a profit of about 263%. Yesterday we had closed two trades with profits of about 517% and profits of 331%. This is what we have been doing time and time and again. And if you guys want to achieve similar results for yourself, make sure you guys join the crypto cartel. The link to it will be down in the description. Only limited spots are available, so make sure you guys grab onto your spots as soon as possible because the spots are running out really quickly. I think we have only got like about 8 or 9 more spots available. Anyways, now let's jump back to Gala Games and let me tell you why I'm really bullish on the project. So guys, right over here, first of all, I have made a downward sloping trend line, and this trend line is showing us that Gala Games was not really able to break through this trend line for the longest time. Now if we calculate, you can see that from this price point downwards to here, you can see it was almost about 2 months or so that Gala Games was not really able to break through this. However guys, ever since we have broken through this important downward sloping trend line, we have been seeing some sideways movement, and Gala Games is facing a lot of resistance at this level right over here at a price of about 0.045. Now, I personally believe this price target is something which Gala Games has been having trouble breaching, because if you check out right over here, you can see some sideways momentum going on here as well. The important support and resistance levels for Gala Games are this as the resistance level, and this level right over here at a price of about 0.035, which is acting at a major support for Gala Games. Overall, I truly believe in the project. I still believe that the project is one of the best out there if you guys want to invest into a crypto gaming signal or say crypto gaming project. Gala Games is the best bet you can probably make in the upcoming bull market rally as well. We have seen this time and again that Gala Games pretty much bottoms out, but then ultimately picks up a lot of momentum and gives us those massive gains. Last time when this sort of movement happened, you can see Gala Games gave us returns of about 318% on investment, which is really good to see, and something which we wanted as investors as well. I just bought in for today because I personally believe that a long term Gala Games is going to be moving towards the upside, and also in the shorter time frames, I do believe that a pump rally towards the upside is going to be really soon. And right now is a really good opportunity to get into the project if you guys haven't already. My personal price targets are pretty simple. Right now, I do expect Gala Games to pump towards these levels over here at a price of about 0.07 at the bare minimum. However, guys, beyond this point, I do expect that Gala Games in the upcoming weeks or say in the upcoming months is going to be having a massive rally towards the upside, and the project has a potential to reach a price target of about 0.15 or say 15 cents, which is about a 283% move from the current price points. Now, I know that a lot of you all might be saying that I'm really optimistic just because I have bought in. You might be saying that I am biased, but guys, this is what happens with altcoins. I mean, if you guys want a 2x, 5x, or even a 7x return on your investment, you guys can practically invest into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and they're gonna be giving you up till like 5 to 7x gains pretty easily, and it's the safest option to go out there. However, guys, we invest into risky projects such as Gala Games just because we want our money to see getting multiplied by 20x's, 30x's, or even 40x's. And this is why we invest into a project like Gala Games as well. If you look on the downside, or say on the positive side, you can see that that just 4 days ago we saw a buy signal which was aiming to extend Gala gains. So even though the project has fallen, right now is the time when you guys should be buying up if you guys have any sort of money, or if you want to DCA into Gala. I was DCAing into the project, on all of these levels right over here. And even if you calculate somewhere around this price point towards the current price points, you can still see that I'm still up about 112%, which is really good to see. My buying was even lower than that, somewhere around these levels. But I mean, we can't really be comparing those levels with these levels right over here right now, just because a lot of things have changed for Gala. The project is 10 times, if not 100 times better than what it was when it was at its all-time high, or even at this price point right over here. The most important resistance level for Gala to break in terms of breaking towards the upside is going to be this level right over here at a price of about 0.086. If you check out the volume indicators and the MACD indicator, you can see that they are not really showing us any sort of movements right now. However, we are not really getting any sorts of massive selling pressure on the MACD indicator as well, which is indicating a lot of strength. And as you can see, the RSI is slowly and surely going towards the upside, although the price is going sideways action, which shows you that the price wants to move towards the upside, but because of a lot of resistance on this level, we are not really able to break through. If we check out the volume indicator, you can see the volume is still looking pretty decent. We have been going sideways. We are not really seeing some insane spikes, but we are only one news away from getting massive amounts of move towards the upside, just like we saw with Jasmine right over here, and just like we saw with Casper right over here as well. As you can see, we have similarities between all three of these projects. You can see that we got a lot of sideways movement for Jasmine, similar to what is happening with Gala Games, and then ultimately it pumped towards the upside. We saw similar thing happening with Casper as well, where the project moved sideways for the longest time, but then we had a break towards the upside, and right now we are just retesting some important support areas, which is really a good and something which is a really positive sign for the entire crypto markets as well. Overall, things are very bullish in the crypto market space. Bitcoin is reaching about $71,000 as I'm recording this video. I believe Bitcoin is going to be getting to $100,000 per Bitcoin within 2024, but only time is going to be telling us how the markets are going to be really playing out. If you guys like this Gala update video, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another one. Hope you all have an amazing day ahead. Peace out.